Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a city in Minecraft. First, select a large, flat area or terraform one to your liking. Decide on a theme, like modern, medieval, or futuristic, to guide your building style. Sketch out a basic layout for your city, including major roads and key landmarks. This initial planning saves a lot of time and ensures a cohesive design as your city grows. Next, focus on the backbone of any great city, its infrastructure. Start with a comprehensive road system, ensuring main arteries are wide enough for future expansion. Integrate public transport early, perhaps a 2-track railway system, to connect different districts efficiently. Don't forget essential services like a water supply and waste management, even if they are just for show, adding a layer of realism to your urban landscape. Now, let's populate your city with life. Begin constructing residential areas, offering a mix of housing types to create a vibrant community. Then, develop commercial zones with various shops, cafes, and office buildings. Remember to include public amenities like parks and plazas, providing green spaces and gathering points for your citizens. Aim for a balance between functionality and aesthetic appeal in each district. Finally, it's all about the details that bring your city to life. Add street furniture, lighting, and intricate landscaping to enhance realism. Don't forget custom trees and varied foliage to break up urban monotony. As your city grows, plan for future expansion by leaving open areas or designing modular districts. Consider adding a unique landmark, like a towering skyscraper or a grand stadium, to give your city a distinct identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.